Toyota Hilux, and it's coming light. Replace full filter. To reset that, you must ignition off, ignition on, and go under hood and disconnect that connector from full filter. And now it's okay, and connect it back. Now must be still we have. Okay, maybe I was a little wrong. So turn ignition off. Now go take out, disconnect filter, this connection with ignition off. Now I have disconnected this connector. Turn ignition on. Replace, and now go connect it back. Now connected, and now ignition off. And try again, start car. Yes, this second method works. So first one was wrong, second is right one. Now full filter have resetted. So Toyota Hilux, I think it's some 2016 model, and like this. See you later.